How to add rainbow gradient to text in Canva. To add rainbow gradient effect to a certain text in Canva, so here I've got a certain design. Here if I go ahead and simply type in a certain thing right here, so let me just go ahead and type in my channel name, and once I've done this, maybe I want to add a rainbow gradient effect to this text. Now if I select this particular option, go to text color, here you can see I can only choose solid colors and no gradient colors. Even if I go to effects option over here, you can see a couple of options I can choose to add as a background effect but not really change the color. Now what you want to do is, if you have got Canva Pro, you can go to elements and just type in rainbow texture. So just type in a rainbow textured background right here, and you can go to photos and you can simply choose any of the ones that you prefer like this. So you can also go ahead and choose other ones, or you can go to Google and type in rainbow texture. Once you've done that, you can go to images and you can simply choose a texture that you like. Simply right click, copy the image, come to Canva and paste the image by using Ctrl V. Now you want to simply use it as a whole background. Now you can also change the text color to something like white. Now what we want to do is we want to reduce the transparency of this text. So you can go to this little option right here, or this transparency icon. You can decrease the transparency down to something that you like. And once you've done that, you can see a couple of transparency effects have come down like this. So I'll just add it to somewhere around 40. Now once you've done this, you just go to share and download this particular image as a PNG right here, and just go ahead and download it as a PNG and hit the download button. Now you can also select transparent background already if you have got a Canva Premium, but if not, just select download. Now once I've downloaded that particular image, I'll just delete everything from here. Now go to upload and add that particular file of the downloaded image. And once you've done that, just add it right here, and you can see this is the particular image. Now if you have Canva Premium, you can go to this background remover and it will automatically remove the background and your text only be there in the rainbow transparency effect. If you don't, then what you can do is you can simply go to this website called remove.bg, which will allow you to remove the background from a certain one. So here you can see in Canva Premium, I have just went ahead and then added a rainbow texture effect by removing the background. Otherwise, what you could do, as I said, is you can simply copy this image and you can go over here, upload an image, and just select that. It will automatically remove the background on this website if you don't have Premium. And then over here you can see, now I can copy this image or even download it and paste it right here, and just like that, now we can crop it to our desired size, and then we have a rainbow effect text, which is a gradient rainbow effect on Canva. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.